Unboxing the Apple iPhone 16 Plus all colors. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super exciting for you, the brand new Apple iPhone 16 Plus. We'll be unboxing it, checking out all the colors, and giving you a first look at what's inside the box. First off, let's take a look at these beautiful boxes. Apple has kept the sleek and minimalist design, but the new color options are what really make these stand out. The iPhone 16 Plus comes in some stunning new finishes: midnight black, starlight white, ocean blue, forest green, and a vibrant sunset red. Let's start unboxing. Kicking things off with the classic midnight black. As always, Apple's packaging is incredibly premium. Inside the box, you'll find the iPhone 16 Plus neatly wrapped in a protective film, a USB-C charging cable, and the usual documentation. This sleek black finish is absolutely stunning. It's a perfect blend of sophistication and power. Next up, we've got the starlight white. This one's for those who love a clean, elegant look. The soft pearlescent finish is understated, but really catches the light beautifully. Just look at that shimmer! It's simple, yet luxurious. Now, for something a little bolder, ocean blue. This one is for the adventurous spirits out there. The deep blue color is rich and vibrant, giving off a calming yet striking vibe. This color is going to be a hit, perfect for standing out in the crowd. Next, we have forest green. If you're into earthy tones, this one's for you. It's a deep, rich green that feels both modern and timeless. Apple really nailed the subtlety on this one. It's a beautiful option that's both bold and natural. Finally, we've got the sunset red. This is the boldest color in the lineup, and it's perfect for those who love to make a statement. The red just pops. And there you have it, the iPhone 16 Plus in all its glorious colors. Midnight black, starlight white, ocean blue, forest green, and sunset red. Whether you're into classic, bold, or somewhere in between, there's definitely a color for you. So, which color is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're excited to see more hands-on reviews, tips, and comparisons, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.